discover and protect Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. Deep in the southwestern Uganda lies one of the most magical places on earth, Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. It is a dense green forest full of life, beauty and mystery. This ancient forest has existed for over 25,000 years. This makes it one of Africa's oldest ecosystems. Animals and greenery. Bwindi is home to nearly half of the world's remaining mountain gorillas. There are about 1,000 mountain gorillas left in the world, and some of them live right here. This forest also has over 120 species of mammals, 350 species of birds, and more than 1,000 plant species. It's truly one of Africa's greatest natural treasures. Tourists exploring and enjoying activities. Every year, thousands of visitors travel from around the world to visit Bwindi and experience its beauty. But there is more to do than just gorilla tracking. Visitors can also go on guardian nature walks through the forest, enjoy bird watching with over 350 bird species, visit local communities and learn about their culture, take part in traditional dances and cultural experiences, explore nearby waterfalls and beautiful scenery. Tourism in Bwindi brings millions of dollars for Uganda and helps support local communities. When tourists visit, they help create jobs for guides and rangers. They support schools and help centers. They protect wildlife through finding conservation efforts. Threats to the forest. But Bwindi faces challenges: deforestation, illegal hunting, and human activity. This threatens this precious ecosystem. Without protection, we could lose these incredible animals forever. Conservation efforts. Thankfully, conservation efforts are making a difference. Organizations and local communities are working together to protect this forest. Because of conservation, mountain gorilla numbers are slowly increasing. Call to action. You can help too. Visit Bwindi responsibly, respect wildlife, support conservation programs. Together we can protect this forest for future generations. Beautiful forest view. Bwindi is not just a forest. It is home, a treasure and a symbol of hope. Protect it, visit it, and love it. If you want to visit Bwindi, tap on the link below for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!